Refractory clay ball press is widely used, can be a variety of materials into balls or clusters. Refractory clay ball press equipment work output quality directly affects the production of pellet production, so we should try to choose a good manufacturer, use good equipment, obtain good quality to improve our economic benefits. Due to its special working properties, Fireclay ball press is used in the process of working. There will be different degrees of wear. Serious equipment will fail back if the equipment selection pass. Then in the late production process, refractory clay ball press equipment, where consumption will be reduced, the failure rate is significantly lower than the inferior material selection equipment. Effectively improve the working cycle of equipment, comprehensive production efficiency is higher.